What's up, you guys? Vac Attack here, and today I figured I might as well do a long form video on this Fantom Fury. Now, as most of you guys know, I did get this semi-recently. I did do a couple shorts on it, and, you know, all that stuff, but today I figured I might as well do a long form video on it, kind of show, excuse me, might as well do like a whole, like, living room vacuuming with this thing, see how it does. Now, when I first did get this, I did have to replace the belt because it was completely snapped. I did have to work on the brush roller a little bit because it was a bit rattly. But now this thing runs perfect. And for a 10 amp, this thing sounds amazing. Because what tends to happen with a lot of the 10 amp models is they usually have bad bearings or off-balance fans. And they just don't sound the greatest. This one sounds really good, and it looks super minty too, so I'm very happy with this machine. I will say, I think I do like this a little bit more than my Thunder, but I still love that Thunder. I don't know, I'd have to use them side by side. But anyways, enough of the chit chat. Let's just go ahead and run this thing real quick. All right, here we go. Yeah, as you can tell, this light is not very bright at all. It's kind of more there for show. And of course, in typical fashion, well, that cord could have probably reached, but I'm still gonna go ahead and plug it in over here anyways. Because you never know. And there's a car alarm going off. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Sorry, I have allergies today. That's why I'm like, you know, coughing and all that stuff. Anyways, back to the vacuuming. Oh, wow. This thing even does really good on this rod, too. It doesn't... It is worth mentioning.
Hold on, actually I'll mention it in a second.
It is worth mentioning that the hose, the suction on these Fantoms are not quite the greatest, at least from my experience. My Thunder is a little bit better, but this thing has pretty weak suction. Excuse me. I don't know why, that's just how it is. It's not that big of a deal though, because yeah. Just checking the brush roller real quick. Looks good. Yeah, okay. Other than that though, really love this thing. It cleans really well. It has good airflow. It has a very good brush roller. And yeah, the headlight though, I wish was brighter. Then again, it does have a headlight from a Fantom Thunder. So I don't know if that affects it. I don't think it would, but yeah. Maybe I'll try putting an LED bulb in here, seeing if that makes a difference. But if it doesn't, then I don't know what to say. But yeah. You can see it picked up a lot though. So yeah. Overall, really love this thing. Glad to have it in my collection. And yeah. Let me know what let me know what kind of video you guys would want to see next. And I do apologize that I haven't been posting as much. I've been working a lot, so I've just been kind of busy. But I will try and post more videos. I do have a whole fleet of vacuums coming in soon, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're going to end this video here. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.